a minor body language. As soon as they're striking, bolting, bulking, rearing, bucking, that's the yelling, the shouting, and we've missed all the signs leading up to it. You know, a lot of the times the signs could be a long time coming, but other times it's seconds. So on a foal, worked some foals yesterday, it's seconds. His eye is nice and soft, so that's a good thing. His neck carriage is pretty soft, that's good too. His muzzle is, his nose is, everything's pretty soft, even if he's playing around. So remember, as I enter, I haven't met him, as I enter, I've got these seconds to make some assessment on him. So my first thing would be my eye zoomed on his eyes, so that he knows that I'm paying attention, and asking for the forward motion. My eyes will watch his eyes so that he can tune into my eyes as much as I can. I've got the forward motion, the chest is to the chest, I'm keeping my small circle. The right hand asks him to pay attention this way. The right hand also asks him to stride out, and you'll see that, and I'll say thank you to him for striding out. So he's going to mimic that, and we'll do that again, and you'll see him stride out, and stride out more. Well done. Eye and his locked on. I'm going to breathe deeply into my feet and slow down, and ask him to slow down. Thank you for listening. You've seen the dialogue back and forth as we establish a foundation together of who I am and who he is. So that was pretty neat. He basically said, I think we're done now. All right. And I went with, I guess we're okay, Luce. I'll just keep a tad of a distance between you in case you change your mind. I'm going to ask him to stand. Perfect. What are you going to do with that? Another hello or fly-by hello? It's so funny. They go, okay, scratch my butt. It's this thing of, I don't know you. You know, and I'm not going to scratch you because if I don't do it right and you kick, that's not fun for me. But it was, at least she said hi. The second time it was hi, scratch my butt. All right, so she has a skeptical eye when she comes by too, so it's just fascinating. You look out of the corner of her eye as she fly by, so that's something she feels would protect her. When she moves, her back end gets my attention. So I'd probably have her looked at chiropractically. There's just something interesting at behind. Alrighty. So it's a little different than what I did with him. And it was like I said, she loves to be close. She wants to be very close in your space. There we go. But she can back. I know she can back. I'd like her to stop there. Okay. Soften up the backing so she's less resistant. I know she can bring her head down and bring her head to her chest for the backing. She's going to find it a tad difficult because she's in an unfamiliar place, but it's not impossible. We always stand at the shoulder for the muscle testing. It's the place to stand for safety. Remember, we're going to have about a foot length in line if we can, so that he has a chance of expression and he can participate in this. It's nice to hold if they were to cow kick. There was a time I was in Denmark, and every time I pressed this point on the horses cow kicked and also buckled because they were that bad. I'm sure you are. And I used the dynamite spray. It helps with, it's really neat, but it helps with his muscle spasm. So if there's any tension, tightness in the muscles, it can help release it. And for the energy healers, if there's an energetic block, it helps dissipate it. What's really neat, and you guys are lucking out with the lighting, that you can't always teach this, but sometimes with the lighting, you can begin to see dull patches, and it also shows if the energy is moving or not moving. And this is how you'll stand, and then the other person will muscle test. You don't need to see what's on there till afterwards. So if your arm stays strong, we're going to create a yes pile and a no pile. We're only going to mark down the yes pile. I can then interpret the product for you, and we can come up with a picture as to what their bodies and what the horses are saying through the muscle testing. We use you as a tool. You just start with the baseline, otherwise you won't know what's normal to know what's abnormal. Feel her strength. Oh. Right? Okay. Otherwise you have no clue. Okay. There we go. Okay, perfect. Then you can start with something. the other people, if you want to pick up that other bucket, and 3 of you come on over here, and everybody that spares welcome to go back. This one's a week.
Yeah, so that's a no.
I just want to say it's a big reaction to that.
But all the others are